Hi there, I'm Barbara Seeber from Italy. In my workshop, Move It to Improve It, I'm going to show you how we teachers can support our learners in the language learning process, especially when they are stuck or they encounter difficulties or are overwhelmed on their way to be successful learners. Very often, language can't solve these issues because in stressful and challenging moments, language can't reach them. However, we can always rely on movement. Movement is the key to unlocking our students' brains and to help them get back on track. In my workshop, I will show you when to use which specific exercises, how to get the students out of the stuck loops, and how to bring some magic into the classrooms. The exercises are easy, simple, and ready to use. My workshop is on Saturday at 5 p.m. and I can't wait to see some of you there at TESOL France Colloquium. Je vous attends!